A picture is worth 1,000 words, but what do you do when your image is one of 1,000 other images? So how can you create images that stand out from all the other images in your audience's Facebook, Twitter, and other social feeds? You need a stunning image that will catch your followers' eyes and grabs audience attention. Something that will make them click and share and then buy and keep watching for the next great thing you post. We know that it can be frustrating and time-consuming to create artwork for your business. You can spend hours or even days trying to learn complex graphic design applications. And outsourcing is crazy expensive. You need to pay thousands of dollars only for one graphics design project. So stop worrying. Today, anyone can make memorable and stunning design using simple and fun software, but incredibly powerful software to make fantastic graphics and very fast. Introducing Desigy Templates Pro. Desigy Templates Pro is a collection of unique and beautiful design templates that easy to use, which enables everyone to quickly and easily create beautiful design. Trust me, you do not need to have any graphics experience to make professional looking graphics for yourself. Let's do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick templates. Choose one from hundreds of professional templates. Step 2. Modify and design. Customize your text, color, adjust your image, upload your own artwork, and more. Step 3. Export. Save your design as image and share designs through social media. Auto-magically. All steps is very, very easy. Guaranteed headache-free. Create stunning graphics easily using Desigy templates. Here a preview inside Desigy Templates Pro. It is time to stop the unhappy struggle you undergo to make professional design. Desigy Templates becomes a very versatile tool for quickly creating unique professional social media images, such as flyer, banner, video, graphics quote, mock-up, and more, all in one bundle. Free yourself from complicated software, and you will never again hire a graphic designer to create your marketing images. Save your money for more worthwhile purposes. Why would you pay a design agency upwards of $5,000 for one graphic design when you can create your own visuals for next to nothing? Ready to get more likes, shares, and sales? Get the smart templates today. This is strictly limited. There's no better time than now. Early bird discount will end in just a few hours' time. So click the order button below to get access to Desigy Templates Pro.